Good morning, folks. Mark here with Heat and Sweep. We've got another video coming at your way for On the Road with Heat and Sweep. This client has an existing prefab wood burning fireplace, real standard. They just wanted to update the look and make it easy to use. We're going to do something super cool on this one. Stay tuned and we'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Thank you. Alrighty, folks, we got the door installed. Everything is all set. I'll show you in just a moment what the logs look like. But that is totally transformed. So it's a whole new fireplace without doing any demolition or saving a bunch of money. You totally transform the look of your fireplace. This comes in a bunch of different colors and styles and options. It's a super cool way to update your home. And we can do this in your home too. Stay tuned for the fire. I'll have it coming up shortly. Thank you. So there it is, folks. That's the finished product. That's a new door with a gas log installed. It was really pretty straightforward to do. We're not in your client's home for a lot of time. It's a completely new look. Transform the living room. Like I said, it doesn't cost a ton of money. And it's just so nice. Now you don't have to worry about going outside and getting wood or anything like that. You can have a fire whenever you want. You can turn it on and off whenever you want. It's easy to use. It's absolutely beautiful. Paired with the doors, it totally changes the look. So we can do something like this for you too. Just pop into Heat and Sweep. Come see us or give us a call. And we're all about making living better for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.